Hi there, welcome to Scuba Diving Magazine, the world's best independent scuba diving publication. Here we keep you underwater explorers up to date with the latest scuba diving news, articles, videos, and interviews, all to do with everything scuba diving. We also have a database of dive equipment reviews so that you can learn about the newest dive gear from the top diving brands and whether it's right for you, as well as plenty of advice videos from how-to videos to interactive Q&As where we discuss your questions and answer them for you. We also have team divers that visit amazing dive sites all around the world and write about their experiences to give you inspiration for new places to go and what you'll find there. If you're new to the channel, then please remember to click that subscribe button next to this video so that you can stay up to date with everything that we do over here at Scuba Diving Magazine. And if you want to go one step further, we actually have an exclusive membership scheme that gives you access to some exclusive content that only members can see. So welcome to the channel. Take a good look around at some of our playlists, and if there's anything that you'd like to see us cover, or if you have any questions for us, then let us know down in the comments underneath this video or any of our videos. Thank you for watching, everybody, and safe diving.